Hello my friends, have you subscribed yet to my channel? If not, where have you been? Today is 11th of December. I need to check with my records, I'm losing track of time. And we're going to open box number 11 with something special, I hope. As always with Jenny's, there will be something very special in it. Let's have a look. Didn't I say yesterday it was something tiny? I was sure I left it not very far. There it is, there we go. I think this is the tiniest from the box. So yesterday was the biggest one in the box and today is the tiniest in the box. LOL. Let's open. I don't know why I'm trying to save these stickers, but I do. Ow, very sticky. Ah, broke it. Never mind. Let's have a look. Something tiny. What's this? Premium woven labels. Labels. Tiny little labels. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Any labels are very useful for a sewer, stitcher, whoever makes things with their hands. Oh, they're lovely. Little scissors, cutter, thread, embroidery hoop, made by. Ah, very nice. So there's one that you can fold in half and attach to something. It says made by. You could put your name in it. Beautiful things come together, one stitch at a time. Little flowers. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. And another one with the same message but on grey. Very nice. Definitely useful. I have no idea how much would this cost. Shall we say £5? Because they are like a bespoke, I would imagine. Okay, very nice. So, number 11, premium woven labels. Alright. Gosh, it's almost halfway to Christmas. Will be 12th tomorrow. Wow. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.